Good morning, everyone. We out here, Tropical Storm Debby.
Still got to go to work in order to be able to travel long term. But as you can see, Tropical Storm Debby got us halted. Those ships at the port. We got high tide out here on the Savannah River. We don't have any ships at the dock to unload this sugar. So once again, we still got to come in, make it do what it do.
We still working. Hey, this what dads do, man. Not only do we travel, but we still got to put in the work as well.
Travel dad still got to report to work. Hopefully by tomorrow, might see the ship start rolling in.
So you all have a beautiful morning. Continue to stay safe out here. And enjoy your day. Travel Dad out. See you next time. Peace.
Like and subscribe to the Travel Dad Express YouTube channel today.